fuck it. Should go through it anyway. Who's running the red? Someone always runs right here, don't they? Yeah, he did. There you go. Don't cut him off. Don't cut him off. Don't cut him off. You cut him off. And left turn back. Douche. You're not going to stop before you turn. That's in. Hey, a little closer, Grandpa. Thank you. Jesus Christ. Yo! The fuck? What the hell are you doing? Just sit there reading your fucking phone later when people trying to use the driveway. Shit. Go stupid. You go that way. Dumbass. There goes the cutoff. You just ran the red. Yes, you did. So your turn. Don't run the red. Oh, you're below the red. Here we go. You blew the red. Yep. Yeah, you. Jesus. Wow, that was next dive. Here's your blinker, Mr. Range Rover. Hello, 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 hello. Anybody paying attention? I guess not. Now, they have a yield, stupid. Go. Oh, jeez. Thanks, scumbag. And that was a cutoff, and that was not a stop. Hello, it's not a passing lane. You dickhead. Hello. Going off-roading, I guess. Stop tailgating, you shithead. Oh, hi, how you doing? Don't cut me off. Thank you. Neither. Oh boy, we're in a rush. Oh, you're that scumbag from a couple of weeks ago. I remember you. Oh, that was red, shithead. Go. Do you know where you go? Go. That was an asshole move. Go! What the fuck are you doing? Oh, God. Alright, yeah, that's not that doesn't. Yeah. Yeah, you really needed that out of the trunk here. Fuckhead. What are you doing? Right turn dive. There's a cutoff. Dude. Just pull out in front of me, Grandpa, no problem. That was a cutoff. Subadoosh. That was close too. Yikes.